Unveiling the Black Campus Movement, Lessons in Racial Reconstitution and Student Empowerment. It was a time of immense social change, an era when the voices of Black students rang out on college campuses, demanding justice and equality. The Black Campus Movement, Black Students and the Racial Reconstitution of Higher Education, 1965 to 1972 by Ibram H. captures the essence of this transformative period in American history. In this thought-provoking book, Rogers sheds light on the Black Campus Movement, illuminating the lessons we can learn from this pivotal moment. Challenging the status quo. The Black Campus Movement was a powerful demonstration of students defying the existing racial order. By demanding equal access to education, representation, and resources, Black students reshaped the narrative of higher education. The book underscores the importance of challenging established norms to foster progress and create lasting change. Unity and solidarity. The Black Campus Movement exemplified the strength of unity and solidarity among diverse Black student groups. This powerful lesson teaches us the significance of working together, transcending differences, and amplifying collective voices to dismantle systemic racism. It reminds us that our struggles are intertwined, and our collective power is formidable. Intersectionality. Rogers' work highlights the intersectionality within the Black Campus Movement, emphasizing the voices and experiences of Black women, LGBTQ+ individuals, and other marginalized groups. It serves as a reminder that no struggle exists in isolation, and inclusivity is crucial to achieving true equity. The book encourages us to recognize and uplift the diversity within our communities, ensuring everyone has a seat at the table. Persistence and resilience. The Black Campus Movement faced immense opposition and pushback. Yet, its participants exhibited unwavering determination and resilience. Their commitment to their cause serves as a valuable lesson for future activists, illustrating the importance of persistence in the face of adversity and the power of resilience in driving meaningful change. The power of education. The Black Campus Movement recognized education as a tool for empowerment and liberation. It sought to redefine the purpose of higher education, making it more accessible and relevant to marginalized communities. This lesson teaches us to view education not only as a means to personal success but also as a vehicle for societal transformation. Activism as education. The book emphasizes how the Black Campus Movement served as a form of education in itself. Through protests, sit-ins, and organizing efforts, students learned valuable lessons about activism, leadership, and community engagement. It reminds us that activism is a lifelong journey of learning, growth, and collective action. The Black Campus Movement, Black Students and the Racial Reconstitution of Higher Education, 1965 to 1972 stands as a testament to the courage and resilience of Black students who fought for change. By exploring the lessons from this transformative era, we can draw inspiration to continue the ongoing struggle for racial equity and justice. As we navigate the complexities of the present, let us learn from the past and forge a future where the lessons of the Black Campus Movement remain etched in our collective memory, guiding us towards a more inclusive and equitable society. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more engaging and educational content.